How to make basic dog food. Making homemade dog food can be a great way to ensure that your furry friend is getting a nutritious and balanced diet. Here's a simple recipe for basic homemade dog food. Number 1. Gather your supplies. For this recipe, you'll need your ingredients: a large stock pot, a large spoon, and an airtight storage container for leftovers. Number 2. Make your eggshell powder. Calcium is an important part of a dog's diet, and one of the best sources is eggshells. Most dogs can't tolerate lactose, and it's not a good idea to feed them dairy products from a cow. Clean and dry out the shells from 12 eggs. Spread them on a baking sheet and bake in a 300 149°C oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow to cool. Grind to a fine powder in a coffee grinder, about 1 minute. Store in an airtight container for up to 2 months. Number 3. Get the rice and oats boiling. In a large stock pot, combine rice, water, and oats. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Number 4. Add the remaining ingredients. For the vegetable portion of the recipe, there are many vegetables that you can use or mix that will be good for your dog, including peas and carrots, broccoli and cauliflower, apples, beets, cabbage, spinach and other dark leafy greens. Number 5. Turn down the heat and continue cooking. Cook this for 20 to 25 minutes, until all the liquid has been absorbed and the vegetables are soft. Number 6. Allow the food to cool. Don't put it away until it has reached room temperature. Once it has, transfer it to an airtight container and store in the refrigerator for up to a week. For longer-term storage, divide the mixture into individual portions and transfer each to a separate container. Store them in the freezer and thaw portions as needed. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.